Fine one. So this house was from this. This is the way it was last year. And see what we have achieved today. So this is how we Atomic Golden Estate is a low-income earners property. So we are reselling. We've got some people reselling. So this is how it is right now. And they are reselling from people that bought 2, 3 like this. So, and you can convert it from 2-bedroom like this to this 3-bedroom by spending just little money. So we're still doing it, doing the windows. Yeah, that's how it is. We change all the doors in and out. If you check our page, you'll see details of this property. 2-bedroom turned to 3-bedroom. You can see this is a semi-detached one. So it was like this and change to this. This is a developed estate where we have people. So although it's a low income and as well, it's a peaceful area. Your Atomic Golden Estate, peaceful area with good people. And the address is this. So would they? Yeah, that's your Atomic Golden Estate, Obafemi Owode local government, Ogun State. So we have the road that goes to Papalanto. That's the road there. And this road here goes to another village and the Atomic Golden Estate extension. So that's what we have. We have what's it called? Mass. MTN mass. So the light is regular. And we have a senior manager. That's my boy. If you have any question, look at him. He's not talking to me.
I'm not talking to anybody. Don't talk.
You know, that's my boy. He knows the in and out of this place. So thank you. We are still selling. We are reselling property right now. From this or that to this. You can see how beautiful is this. And we have regular lights. Seriously, peaceful area. Peaceful area. God bless you. Bemsag Ever Image Ventures. Aww. Oh, see, even nearer to. Is that the plane? Look, can I see?
Like.
Oh, me, Rio. Sorry, I'm Tiri. Whoa, look at the plane. So we are nearer to the airport. From here to Ikeja Airport, 40 minutes, between 1 hour. I'll be sure you better learn about your head. Ah, Afiza, I'm already Magba. I'll be giant for you.